Hi everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to do the blanket stitch. And again, I'm just showing you on everything that's kind of extra size so you can really see what's going on. I've got burlap, my plastic needle and yarn, but of course this is great for embroidery. This is just so everybody can really see what's going on. Alright, so it's pretty easy. We're just going to come up through our fabric and pull that up a bit. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come and take basically what amounts to like a straight stitch coming straight down. And you probably would want to have a line along here. I don't, but you would. And so we're just going to pull it out, but we're going to make sure that our straight stitch came up between our loop. Alright, there you go. There's our first stitch. And then we're going to take another stitch, basically think of like a little box right here up at the corner of the box. And then it's going to come out almost like a little straight stitch, and I'm going to pull again, and again it's going to be caught in that loop, and again think of it as a little box, come up to one corner and out the other side, and we're just going to keep going down, making sure these little boxes, oops, get that in there, and pull that out, and all the way to the end. And then if we're ready at the end, we're going to take one tiny little stitch, or you could do like a longer stitch. I'll go ahead and just do a longer one so it matches on the other side. And there you go. That is the blanket stitch. If you're liking my tutorials, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button, and lets me know that people are watching. And well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!